Hello, welcome to my channel English Crossroad. So today we will see the summary of the lesson Animals, Birds and Dr. Dolittle of Huge Laughing. This is the first lesson of Unit 2 Wit and Humour from Poorvi text of class 7. Welcome to my channel. I hope you have seen the detailed video and the textual exercise. If you are in a hurry, you are not having enough time to see the detailed video, here is a video for you. That is a summary of the lesson. Okay, let's start. Dr. John Dolittle was once a doctor for people, but he wasn't very successful. That means as a people doctor, a human doctor, he was not very successful. People were not giving him that importance. One day, a man who sold cat food visited him with a stomachache. While talking, he suggested that Dr. Dolittle should stop treating humans and become an animal doctor instead, as he knew a lot about animals more than regular veterinarians. That is, he knew more about the animals than about human beings. So this patient said to him that he should start treating animals instead of human beings. And the doctor's clever parrot, Polynesia, overheard the conversation and agreed. Overheard means she heard the conversation between the patient and the doctor, and she also agreed with the patient. That is, Dr. Dolittle should start treating the animals. She surprised the doctor by revealing that animals could talk and that she, being a parrot, knew both human and bird languages. That is, the bird is saying that there is another language which is used by the animals, and this parrot know both the language, that is human language, it can talk like human, as well as it can talk animal language also. She began teaching him animal languages, starting with the birds ABC. ABC means their language, how to start learning. The doctor was amazed and began writing everything down. What the parrot had taught him, he started to write it down. Soon Dr. Dolittle was able to understand and talk to all animals. He gave up treating humans and began the world's first true animal doctor. Animals began coming from far and wide. Dogs, cats, horses, cows, and even small creatures like mice and bats. They all started to come to Dr. Dolittle for their treatment because he could understand their exact problem and treat them correctly. So that was the reason these animals were coming to him. One day, a plow horse told him that he needed spectacles, not pills, as he was going blind in one eye. The doctor gave him green glasses, and the horse's eyesight improved. This proved how wise and observant Dr. Dolittle was, unlike ordinary vets who could not understand animal needs. So, this doctor was able to understand and he was able to treat them properly. Over time, animals came in such large numbers that he had to make separate doors for different animals. Word of his special talent spread across countries thanks to migrating birds. They were going to different countries and they were saying about this Dr. Dolittle, which made him famous. Dr. Dolittle became famous all over the world, loved by animals, and he enjoyed his work and life very much. So, this is what the lesson, the moral of the story is. Listen carefully. Animals also speak in their own way. So, we should try to understand what they are saying. Kindness and understanding go a long way. Dr. Dolittle used heart and mind to help others. So, that's what in this story is. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.